So guys, hello, let's training with very cool exercise, so don't lose our time and let's go. So today will be a partner stretching. What it means? It means that we can stretch also each other and help each other have better stretching. Yes. So we will start from warming up. Yes. Please sit down for this flat position. You also can stay by your hands and also straighten your back and try put your legs to the floor. Your knee must be laid to the floor. So this exercise is very good for us because at the same time we have practice any parts at the same time. So we train knees, hips and also muscles. So I like this exercise where at the same time we train several parts of our body and save our time for another exercise. So also don't forget about your breathing. Inhale and exhale. And 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so just stay in this position. Put your hands to the floor, also with straight back, not this, only straight back. Inhale and exhale and go down to your leg. So also if you feel anything, you can put under your leg yoga blocks. So please. 2. Okay. Excellent. So let's go and inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So deeply inhale and deeply exhale. So straighten your hands and go down. Also, I will press for good feeling. So normal. Okay, let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, cool. So we can stay in this position because we will continue. But right now we will train with left leg. What we do? This exercise I name a helicopter. I will explain why. So what we do? We also inhale, our body go down and our left leg lift up. And inhale, we provide leg to the straight side with straight back, also not this, only this. So also you can have a straight leg, can bend, it doesn't matter. But with straight will be harder, of course. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So fix this position in the air, straight your back and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Also with this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, super. Also, return your back, come back, and gently change our legs. Also, if you feel that you feel nothing in the next exercise, put yoga block, put your hands, yes, and repeat these 2 last exercises for another side, yes, for another leg. So let's go. So inhale, exhale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So inhale and exhale and fix this position and stay. I will also press. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, super. Gently lift up. And right now we will do helicopter also. I will repeat what the steps we have. So inhale, body go down, right leg lift, and inhale, go to the straight side with straight back also. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Fix this position, please. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. And another side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, super. It was warming up, and after this warming up, we can start stretching exercise. So what we need to do, we go to this position, please. Our hands will be by right side. And what we do, we inhale and go down, and exhale, return to the first position. Yes? So, let's go. Inhale, go down, and exhale, return. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. Please stay in this position with straight back. Feel your stretch. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, cool. Right now, gently put left leg in front of you, and will be half of your split. And in this exercise, we will try to lift right leg. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Try to catch your leg. Also, I will press. So a little mistake. So 2 bones, go straight position. And also lift your back. More. Okay. And let's go. Your shoulders must be on the one line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. Have a little rest. Okay. Super. And let's change our legs. Right now will be right. Will be right. So 2 hands will be the left side and repeat two last exercise. So we inhale. And exhale. Come back. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So fix this position. Straight your back. No. Put your hip to the floor. Yes. And stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, super. Gently go out from this position. And after that, put your leg. Yes, will be also half of your split. And try to lift your left leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also catch and stretch. I will help. Okay. It's normal? Okay, so please lift